What's up guys, Matt Smith here. If you've not hit that subscribe button, do it right now as I make videos for home service business owners just like you on a regular basis on how to grow and scale. Today we're talking about how you can close your services when competing against other competitors in your market for more money when they're cheaper than you. First things first. All of you guys should be doing your best to do in-person estimates. We see as high as a 40% increase in close rate when doing an in-person estimate versus doing one over the phone. So I know it could be cumbersome. I know it takes a lot of time. Sometimes it even means you have to hire a salesperson to go do it. However, we have found, not just in our business, but in the businesses that we've done consulting with, that the close rate skyrockets through the roof when you can get in front of a customer in person. The tip I want to give you guys today is this. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say you own a power washing company and you're competing against two other people in your market. Let's be honest, power washing isn't rocket science. I know this because I used to be in the industry. We're all going to go out there, we're going to soft wash the house basically the same way. We're probably all going to use the same cleaning solutions and do a very similar job. So how can I differentiate myself so I can stand out in the marketplace and I can beat competitors even when they come in less than me? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to make a very common part of your service really special to the customer. Let me explain. We would do this thing where when we soft wash houses, we have to spray the plants down first with water to make sure our cleaning solution doesn't kill the plants. Now, likely every company does this, but more likely none of them mention it to the customer. So during our sales process, we would make this a huge deal. Mrs. Jones, I want to let you know we have this proprietary method when we wash houses. And we do this because we want to ensure all of your landscaping, all this expensive landscaping all around your house is safe and it's thriving long after we leave. Now, what I want to tell you is the cleaning solutions we use can be harsh on plants. However, because we do this proprietary method, it doesn't hurt your plants. So even if you don't go with us, I want to make sure that you're aware of that because I don't want a different company coming in here and ruining your landscaping. See what I'm doing there? I'm letting the homeowner know that there could be a cause of concern if the job is not done properly. And the result of it being done wrong could mean that her landscaping could be ruined. Now, Mrs. Jones loves her landscaping. She has flowers all over the house. But at the end of the day, none of the other companies even mention this. So she has no confidence in any other company except us because I actually brought it up. So when my price comes in 15 or 20% higher than the competitors, who do you think she's going to trust and who do you think she's going to choose? Let's say the job's $300. You think she's not going to spend an extra $40, $50 to make sure her tens of thousands of dollars worth of landscaping isn't safe? Of course she is. So I encourage you guys, when you're going through the quoting process, you're not lying to the customer, you're not being shady, you're simply bringing something to their attention that's a part of your process. You're making it a really big deal, but you tell them that you have a solution, you walk them through it, and you make them feel comfortable. Doing this one tip will allow you to compete against lowballers, it'll allow you to sell for more money, and you'll close more deals. If you guys like this video, comment below what kind of business you own. I would love to hear what kind of business you own, where you're from, and how things are going. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.